So we're going to be now bringing in a little bit of this Chi work to our partner practice. And what I'm going to do is all of the things we've talked about. So as he touches me, you know, hopefully as he's been approaching, I'm connecting and I connect to his spine. And then when he touches me, I'm joining with the force. So just back off just a little bit for me. There we go. I'm joining with the force and I'm receiving. All this becomes kind of automatic now. I'm receiving it. But now I'm going to put my mind in the space. So I have my space here and I have the space behind him. And I initiate the movement by sending my awareness and my energy, if you will, behind him. And you see how it kind of broke his posture. Did you see that? And that's the difference. At this stage, it's really hard for me to parse it out and only demonstrate, you know, these in different partitions. I did do a video of that, and I will include it, and it's from one of our previous ones. But you just transfer, just like we were practicing this, putting your mind in the space between your hands, okay? This is going beyond the physical. I'm just placing my mind in different places now. And this is just using my awareness and my intent. So my first awareness is there, I have his spine. And then when he touches me, I can do all the other things, song, capture it. But if I go to, oh, I gotta move him, it's not gonna work. So I put my mind here in the space here. This is just like the space between my hands. And then I just kind of go behind him. That was a good way. Oh, that was a good one today, wasn't it? Yeah. So I am simply working with the space just like I am here. So I'm in the space here, but then beyond him. Because if I only work with the space here, I'm still recognizing his mass. And remember that Chi doesn't work within mass. It works within the space. Okay? So a little drill for you then is to just, you could do 1, 2, 3, like I was talking, so I didn't have his spine. So see, I'm behind the curve. So I'm going to touch his spine first. So when you practice this, you get the person's spine first, and because we're practicing, there he goes, then you say, now I'm ready. And then you can get all set up. But shift your awareness to the space in between you and then beyond him. So I just kind of go way beyond him.
Yeah, it's like we're at my lower back.
So, using this Chi space as a different modality for amplifying your work. See you next video.